Hey guys, so welcome to this video. And in this video I have received a very beautiful package from Zana. So this video will be divided into two series. First we're gonna see what inside this box. This is a special kit for KTM Adventure 390 by Zana. So thank you Zana for sending this amazing package, and it's received on time as well, so I appreciate that. And now we gonna do something interesting. First we're gonna see inside the package, and the first video will be about the package and the stuff inside. The second video will be the installation of these all crash cards and everything which I have received inside the box. I will be installing that in my KTM Adventure 390 2022. So let's get inside. I didn't find anything better than this, so I'm gonna open this package very simply on this side as well. Before that, this must be the invoice, something description, something by but they have taped it, so possibly this will never be opened or something. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's see. Okay, and something from Zana. So, yeah, product will deliver to me by delivery. So thanks to delivery courier and partner as well. As you can see here, this is very nice. I love it. So everything here is packed, and this is gonna take a lot of work. First thing is the laptop, which we're gonna install. I have ordered this with the orange shade, and I will be installing my top box in it. The second thing will be something the crash card and a few other things. So let's wait here. This must be the crash card. So I'm gonna okay. This is Zana's we call it what we call it, I forgot it. This is something the fuel reservoir KTM Adventure 390 some gift sort of thing. And this is the GPS mount. Alright, so this is the GPS mount. Seems very amazing. So this is GPS mount. Let's keep this thing aside. And the screws for GPS mount, I guess. Okay. Some papers, how to install something. So this is the guide how to install this crash guard. Heavy. So this is the next thing is this top one. Okay, which didn't arrive with the side things. I thought this must be but okay. So this is the kit from Zana, और इसको इंस्टॉल करने के लिए आया हूँ मैं एक बहुत ही प्यारी लोकेशन पे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So final look KTM Adventure 390 with Jana's crash guard and top rack. Wow, baby is looking freaking awesome now. Guys, so this is the bike itself with installed Jana's crash guard and the top right. So two things I have installed, and these things saves a lot because it is highly durable. It is like designed by Zana in such a way that it will protect your bike. I personally recommend these things for your bike, even when you are using such sort of bike, adventure bike, and you are riding in mountains. And of course guys, Jana is not sponsoring this video as I mentioned, but if you will purchase such products from Zana using my link and my coupon, I will give you things in description, so you will able to get some discounts around 10 to 15%, so that will be more than enough. So it's make my bike look quite premium and amazing look. As you can see here, this Zana's color tuning looks similar to the KTM signature color. You will not be finding these things outside other brands, and it looks like that it is made by KTM itself. So it's it will not look like from the parts you are purchasing outside or something like that. The color tuning is pretty nice. It is very. This is how it looks like. Some shots for you after adding this Jana's crash guard and Jana's rack top. And I'm gonna add saddle stay also. Saddle stay will be from Jana, and this engine crash guard also from Jana. So I'm gonna add some drone shots for you.